I'm Tracie Hall, the Executive Director of the American Library Association. I'm delighted to bring you greetings and to welcome you to the first ever ALA Book Award celebration. Today's virtual celebration serves as an opportunity for ALA to showcase book award events that traditionally take place during its annual conference, which was canceled this year due to the novel coronavirus. For the next 11 hours, various divisions of ALA will highlight winning authors, illustrators, and media producers who won medals and awards in a variety of literary youth and adult award categories. As many of you host viewing parties, we ask that you post photos to your social media channels with the hashtag #TheBookAwardCelebration. That's hashtag #TheBookAwardCelebration. Your posts will be automatically entered into giveaways taking place during today's celebration. Many of today's videos highlight the range of multicultural books that can be found at libraries and illustrate how critical it is that we walk the talk of equity, diversity, and inclusion by reading widely and critically, so that we are comforted by familiar stories as well as moved by those that take us outside our comfort zones. In closing, I want to take a moment to reflect on where we are as we face the dual fights against a pandemic and against systemic racism and persistent racialized violence. Many of today's videos were recorded prior to our nation coming together to stand against racism and police brutality in America. Racism is antithetical to everything this celebration stands for as we honor life, its temporality, its sanctity. I want to underscore ALA's conviction that Black lives matter. The lives of Rayshard Brooks, George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, Botham Jean, and too many more to name. May the books and awards that we celebrate today connect us to each other firmly and fastly, heighten our humanity, and sharpen our resolve for equity and justice. So thank you for joining us today. We are so glad you're here.